Guys, Yash here from Technido. In today's video, let's talk about my favorite Android apps. I'll be talking about the top 5 in this video. You can subscribe for more content like this. I really appreciate it. For now, let's get started right after the intro. First up, we have this app called Lifehacks. The name is pretty much self-explanatory, and this app actually gives you various life hacks. And there are a lot of topics ranging from cooking to tech to basic hacks in life that can help you live better. This is a free app, and I couldn't notice any ads except for the ads that take a part of your screen. This also has a pro version, but the free version has almost everything. I really like this app, and this gave a lot of life hacks for me. For example, if someone randomly says "I love you" and you're not sure of the answer, just say "I love YouTube" really fast. Something like "I love YouTube." Something like that. If you're a person who uses a lot of VPN for whatever purposes, this app is for you. So there's this VPN app called Thunder VPN, and it's not Chinese. That's the best thing. The second thing is that it has very less ads, and the user interface is pretty good. And you can choose your favorite server from whichever country you want. There's a limited choice for free users, obviously, and if you pay, you can probably choose whatever you want. And the speed is pretty good. The best thing about this app is that you can even choose which apps can use VPN and which cannot. So, for example, if you want Spotify to use VPN and Google to not use VPN, you can do that through this app. That's a pretty handy feature. If you're into making videos or recording sound, you'll love this app. So there's this app called Dolby On, and that's basically a sound recorder, but a really good one. So this has a lot of noise reduction features, and the user interface is really beautiful. In fact, this video's audio is recorded on my phone's microphone through this app. Doesn't it sound good? So how this works is, the moment you open the app and click on the record button, it takes 3 seconds to analyze the noise behind you, and it removes it reasonably well. But the best thing is that this app also has some post-production tools, so you can reduce the noise after recording it, and even change the bass of the voice and the other frequencies. And it has a lot of filters as well. Like for this video, I use this lyric filter, and lyrics is for videos itself. If you like a beautiful home screen and a lot of other customizations in Android, you probably would be looking for a good wallpaper app. So I have a good one for you. There's this app called AMOLED Pix. So this has really high-res wallpapers for AMOLED screens, basically wallpapers with black background, which I personally love. So this app is really good, and it has thousands of wallpapers in various categories. You can have a look at the user interface. The user interface is pretty good, and the only problem in this app is there are a lot of ads. I mean, the moment you click on a wallpaper, if you're downloading it, just click on the download link and you'll see an ad. That's the only irritating thing, but other than that, the wallpapers are so good that it almost compensates for those ads. So this app is mostly for root users, but even the users whose phones are not rooted can use it. So this app is called Greenify, and this app is for increasing your battery life and the performance of your phone. So what this app does is, if you're not using an app and it's still lying in the RAM, so it just hibernates it. Basically, it just pushes it aside so that the memory doesn't get wasted. That serves two purposes. First thing, the RAM can be utilized by the app that's being used on the screen actively. The second thing, the phone does not have to push its processor further, so that saves a lot of battery. And the user interface is pretty simple. Just download it, check the rooted or not rooted thing, and then you're good to go. It's basically just download it and forget about it. It'll help your phone perform really good for a very long time. So those were the top 5 apps from my collection. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and hit that like button. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Is it